everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be revealing the teaser of Aramya by Saiba Group located in Chaco, Kandivali West. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. The main road right behind me is the actual land parcel. The construction work is ongoing. You may also have a look at the neighborhood, guys. This road right here will lead you to the link road. In this video, we are going to be covering the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before moving ahead, let me also give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Now coming to the project overview part, this project will be constructed on a land parcel of 0.5 acres, having single tower, ground plus 22 floors, out of which first floor is going to be your commercial floors with configuration of 1, 2 and 3 BHK, and we also have Jodi option available. Talking about connectivity of this project is located in Chaco, Kandivali West near Ambe Mata Mandir, with Kandivali Metro Station at a distance of 1 kilometer, which is Kandivali West Metro Station, Kandivali Railway Station at a distance of 3 kilometer, Western Express Highway at a distance of 2.5 kilometer, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of 1 to 2 kilometer. Talking about amenities, this project has all basic amenities, which includes gym, turf, banquet hall, kids play area, jogging track and many more. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I have got a strong recommendation for you. Housey ki Rights of Home Buyers series zarur dekhe. A lot of buyers are very much unaware of what their basic rights are. For example, let's say you've booked a home giving a token amount to the builder, but now you want to cancel it off. So how much money can the builder legally deduct? A lot of buyers are unaware of this. Let's say secondly, after possession, you have any construction related or leakage related issue in your house. So what liability does the builder hold? We've made you understand all of these things in very easy and simple understandable language in this series. So next time before booking your home, go through the series. This series ka link aapko upar I button और नीचे description box में मिल जाएगा. Now talking about carpet area, as I mentioned, this project has 3 configuration. 1, 2 and 3 BHK, out of which 1 BHK has carpet area of 400 plus. 2 BHK is going to be having carpet area ranging from 630 square feet to 700 plus. And 3 BHK will be having carpet area ranging from 930 square feet plus. Now coming to the booking process, so our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the complete project details. We'll also help you with the actual flat and sample flat if available. We'll also help you with the payment and EMI scheme. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the EOI amount. The EOI amount for 1 BHK is going to be 1 lakh rupees, for 2 BHK is going to be 2 lakh rupees, and for 3 BHK is going to be 3 lakh rupees. So everyone, this was the teaser of Aramya by Saiba Group located in Chaco, Kandivali West. To get more information about this amazing property, you need to download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at the I button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.